Hello happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because I got some new products in from BTArtbox. I want to give a special shout out to BTArtbox for sponsoring today's video, and let's hop into the new goodies that I got. I did get to choose 3 different nail designs of their new bear collection, and I must say I've been seeing a couple people review them and they look really nice. And so this comes with multiple different colors in one pack. I got the long coffin, medium almond, and then the long stiletto. So let's take a look at each one. So I am going to start with the almond nails. Let's see. Okay, so like I said, I think these are the medium almond. Super cute. Wow. I love this super cute light pink. So I'm gonna just move this out to the side. So we got a light pink, a cute little lavender. Let's take a closer look at the light pink. So this is what that looks like. So that's what this would look like on the skin tone. Super cute. Look at that. The nice thing about this collection is that it gives you a good colored base for you to do any type of nails you want to do, whether it's baby boomer or whatnot. So yeah, these are cute, French tips, all that. So we got the light pink here, super cute. This here is kind of like a lavender nude color, or is this milky white? I'm assuming maybe this is milky white, but it has like a little bit of a purplish undertone to it. Super cute though. Yeah, like that. Then we got like this cute brown, like a nudish brown color. Oh, look at that. That's like perfect for my skin tone. Gorgeous. Love that. Okay. Then we have like a nice softer pink. That's a little bit on the mauve side. Super cute as well. Love that. And then we got a really nice light, a light brown, like a latte kind of brown. These are super cute. So these are all the colors that come. So you get, how many is that? 5 different colors. So you get 5 different colors for this bear series, which I think is really awesome. Like, it gives all the girlies good options on what they want to do and or use for a good nail set. So that is cute. So that is the medium almond. Next we have the long coffin. And I opted to get the long coffin because I felt like they looked a little bit like the square nails, and so I was like, I don't mind getting these. So this is what the thumb is looking like. Super cute. That also a really beautiful pink nude. Yeah, these are cute. As you can see, they just taper in ever so slightly at the tip there. So, hey, my nail broke. Oh man, yeah, my nail just broke. Well, good timing because I'm getting ready to clip them off anyway. But yeah, these are cute. They taper in right at the tip there. So those are nice. This here is the milky white. It has that slight purple undertone to it. Super cute. I like that. We got that brown nude again. Yeah, this color is just so perfect for my skin tone. I love that a lot. We got that pink again. Yeah, and I love these nails too because, you know, they really do get thinner at that cuticle area, so it gives like a nice seamless look for when you're applying them to your nails. And then we got that really nice peachy nude color here, and that's what that looks like on the nails. Super cute. Okay, so that's the second collection, or the second shape anyway. And then last but not least is the long stiletto. And this here comes with 160 nails. So all of them come with 160 nails. So let's see what these are looking like. Oh these are super cute, y'all. My goodness. Y'all can't go wrong with a good stiletto, okay? Super cute. Yeah, I love that. Super cute. Y'all know these nails are super strong and sturdy. We got that milky white with that lavender undertone to it again. I love that. We got that perfect nude for my skin tone. Y'all love that brown. So cute. We got cute little mauvey pink here. It's also super cute. Then we got that peachy color. Yeah, y'all, super cute. So they sent me these 3 colors along with some more of their brush on nail glue, which I know their nail glue is really good. I've done some extended wear tests of their nail glue and the nails last well over 2 weeks. So we got their brush on nail glue, and then we also have their French protecting duo, which has their builder gel and their top coat. So there's the top coat here, and then here's the builder gel plus. So let's hop into a quick set here. I want to do a quick demo for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to apply it using their builder gel really quick, do a quick design. Sad, this one's already like broken. I don't even know how that happened. I must have bent it or something. But if I was wanting to repair my nails, I would actually just go in with some like builder gel or some rubber base just to kind of keep this nail intact, because it hasn't actually broken all the way off. But I want to demo these nails for you guys, so I'm going to go put them down. I think what I want to do actually is do one color from each. I want to do one color from each set, just so y'all can see what all the colors look like on my skin tone. I think that's actually going to be really cute. Alrighty, so I have my nails all picked out and ready to go. So I did pick one color from each of the shades. So like I said, this one here is that milky white, kind of with a purpley undertone, that cute pink, that mauvey nude, the peachy color, and then that perfect brown nude. And then I did notice that with these nails now, they do have, looks like they have like an X from the X coat, you know, series etched into the base of the nail, which is new. I haven't seen that on any of the other nail designs, or maybe I haven't just been paying attention, but y'all can see it has like a little X in there. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to apply these really quick. First, I am gonna go in with some peel off base coat. I'm gonna apply that to all the nails. I do plan on popping these off right after the video. If you all want them to last longer, definitely you'll want to go in with proper nail prep, file shape buff the nails, and then apply a regular base coat. So this is what the nails look like after the peel off base has been cured. I have my rechargeable gooseneck lamp that I'll use to apply my nails. I am going to go in with that builder gel from BTArtbox. So first thing I like to do is take a little bit of it, and you just want to apply it on the nail where your natural nail is going to meet that tip, like so. And you'll do just a little bit extra at the cuticle area. Get my nail lamp ready, flip it over. You'll want to line it up to the cuticle, slowly let the gel walk its way down, and then cure. Alright, so that's what the first nail is looking like. Next, I'm going to go in with the next one. And again, you'll repeat the same process. You'll take just a little bit of that glue, and then wherever your natural nail is going to meet the press-on or full cover tip, that's where you want to apply it. And then anything extra, you just apply at the cuticle area here. You flip it over, you line it up with the cuticle, slowly let it flow its way down, and then cure. Cure for about 10 to 15 seconds. If you see any spillage, I like to try to get this spillage up before it fully cures. I like to try to just remove that from the nail before it fully cures, because I am going to go into the big lamp with that. So you see how it just comes right off. I like to try to get that off before it cures. But yeah, that's what the second nail is looking like. I'm going to move on to the third. Line it up to the cuticle, allow the gel to work its way down, then cure. I definitely applied too much gel on this one. There was a lot of spillage again. I want to try to get it up before it fully cures. So I'm just going to rub that from the side of the nail and pop that off before it fully cures. This one's trying to pop off. There it is. This one pop right off as well. There we go. Okay, so that's the third nail applied. Now we'll move on to the fourth. I'm just gonna do like this. Again, line it up to that cuticle, allow the gel to work its way down, then cure. Alrighty, so this is what all the nails are looking like. I did like the choice of making sure that I did one color of each set so y'all can see what it looks like on what each nail color would look like on my skin tone. And so I think they all look great though, to be honest with you. I think they're all beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and just file off that little tab here that's at the tip of the nails to give it that nice sharp stiletto look. Alrighty, so this is what they look like. I mean, honestly, from here, if you guys wanted to, you could just go in with that builder and top and go on about your business. Like, yeah, these are cute for just like some everyday nude nails. I'm gonna do a quick design on the nails. Nothing fancy or spectacular. I'm just gonna do like some white line work on it. So I do have a gel liner here that I'm just going to use and just get just a smidge of white on the tip of it here, like so. And I'm just going to do like some abstract white line design work on it. There's not really going to be a rhyme or reason. I'm just going to do some white line work on here. Cute, cute, cute. I'm going to cure. That is what the nails are looking like. I like the little swoops. It's super cute. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with a top coat. You could go in with the builder gel to reinforce it, but honestly, these nails are so strong already. So I'm just going to go in with their top coat. All right, you guys, ain't she cute though? Yes, I'm loving this simple, cute little abstract nail design on these beautiful bare full cover nail tips that BTArtbox just came out with. I think these are so cute. Like I said, I mean, honestly, all these colors look great on any, they would look great on any skin tone. So I think they did a really good job of picking out these colors. So yes, I am loving this collection that they just came out with. Like I said, it's called the Bear Collection, and I got the medium almond, I got the long coffin, and I got the long stiletto, and as you all saw, I demoed out the long stiletto, and these are just so stinking cute, you guys. Like I said, it's really good for all skin tones. And so another special shout out to BTArtbox for sponsoring today's video. I do have a discount code with them. I am going to leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below in case you guys want to shop their website and save some coin. And yeah, you guys know these are one of my favorite press-on nail brands. They are strong, they're durable, long lasting. They don't bend or chip or anything like that. So hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the nail look. Let me know your thoughts. Did you guys snag this collection? And if so, what do you think about it? Because I am loving it. And so yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If y'all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.